Thanks so much for tuning back in. Today we're going to talk about a pretty cool function of Offshoot, scripting. Offshoot scripting capabilities are a great way to enhance your workflow and to run other applications after the copy job is completed. This is only available in the Pro version. So Offshoot can run scripts during the following events, and this list already gives you an idea when the script might be useful for you. To add a script, navigate to the scripting page in Offshoot setting, choose your event, select Browse and then your script. I suggest saving your scripts in one location so Offshoot can remember where it's stored. If you ask yourself which scripting language is actually supported, Offshoot handles Python and as well as AppleScript. And as always, the Offshoot documentation is a really good source to wrap your head around all of this. The link to the documentation is down in the comments. They also suggest testing every script with dummy data, which I think is a smart move to make before working with hot data. They even offer example scripts such as watch folder or send email notifications. Here's a short demo of how to use it. In this example, Apple Mail automatically sends an email to a predefined recipient defined in your script. A great automation possibility to keep your team in the loop about the copied data. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned a little bit how you can customize Offshoot with scripts for your workflow. Please subscribe to the channel to support me in making more of these tutorials. Like this video and share it with everyone. Until next time.